Elon Musk has been sitting on the throne of the world's richest man for quite some time now, and 2025 just added more to his fortune. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Have you ever caught yourself wondering how Elon Musk managed to make so much for himself? Well, the multi-billionaire has several income streams, and the Tesla CEO recently witnessed a dramatic rise in wealth just to become the first person in history to cross the $500 billion mark. As per Forbes' real-time billionaires list, Musk's net worth now stands at around $752 billion. This was only because how good his companies performed last year, and it's expected to go even further in 2026. This has placed Elon Musk on the position of the richest person in the world, leaving behind Larry Page at number 2, who's also crossed the $500 billion line. At the beginning of 2025, Musk's net worth was estimated at roughly around $421 billion. By October, he'd already become the first individual to surpass $500 billion. However, by the end of 2025, his fortune had crossed the $700 billion mark, so it's basically $330 billion increase in a single year. More interestingly, he could also become the world's first trillionaire if shareholders approved Elon Musk's Tesla pay package in November if he hits certain milestones. But how is he making all that money? Well, much of Musk's wealth remains tied to Tesla's dominance in electric vehicles and SpaceX's advances in reusable rocket technology. Those are the main earners. And other than that, he also owns X, his AI startup xAI, and brain-computer interfaces via Neuralink. Elon Musk has already taken the world's major portion of wealth, many advanced tech businesses, and he's not stopping anytime soon. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icons for notifications.
X is clinging to Twitter's legacy, and it's sparking a full-blown trademark showdown. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Despite Elon Musk's bold move to bury the Twitter name and bird logo in 2022, the social media giant, which is now rebranded as X, is fighting to hold on to the old trademarks. TechCrunch reports that X recently updated its terms of service to explicitly include references to Twitter and even filed a counter-petition against a startup aiming to reclaim the iconic brand. The startup, Operation Bluebird, co-founded by former Twitter General Counsel Stephen Coates, wants to revive Twitter's legacy. It filed a petition with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office to cancel X's control of the Twitter trademarks, claiming the Twitter and Tweet brands were abandoned and fit for new products and services, including a social platform at twitter.new. The company has already gathered 145,000 users to claim handles on its platform. X isn't taking this lightly. Its updated terms now warn users they can't use the X or Twitter names, logos, or any related trademarks without written consent, reiterating that the Twitter brand is still considered X's exclusive property. The company is saying Twitter may be dead, but its value isn't going anywhere. Operation Bluebird insists the case is grounded in solid trademark law. Coates said X legally abandoned the Twitter mark "We Say Hello." It's basically a battle of past versus present, a company trying to erase a legendary brand while still treating it like a prized asset. With X desperate to hold onto Twitter's ghosts and Operation Bluebird racking up early supporters, the fight over the legacy of the Bluebird is just getting started. This isn't just a legal battle, it's a war for social media history. Elon Musk just hit a major roadblock in court. A Tesla whistleblower's victory is shaking things up. Could this change Tesla's future? Let's find out. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into a bombshell story. Elon Musk and Tesla just lost a big legal battle against whistleblower Christina Ballin, who was fired for raising safety concerns. Reported this April 16, 2025, ruling is sparking major buzz on X. Stick around to see what went down and what's next for Tesla. Christina Ballin, a Tesla engineer, raised alarms back in 2014 about a design flaw that could mess with Tesla's braking system. Instead of praise, she was fired. Ballin didn't back down, launching a legal fight that's lasted years. On April 16, 2025, she won a key appeal. This victory means her case could head to jury trial, where she'll face off against Musk and Tesla in open court. Ballin said that she's ready to hold Tesla accountable for safety and transparency. This isn't just a personal win, it's a signal to whistleblowers everywhere. Why does this matter? Tesla has been under fire before, but this loss hits hard. X posts are buzzing with reactions. Some are calling it a wake-up call for Musk's empire. Elon's win could inspire more whistleblowers to speak out, especially with over 50 ongoing workplace safety cases at Tesla. It also raises questions about Tesla's culture. Is safety taking a backseat to speed? With Tesla's stock already down nearly half in 3 months, this legal drama could spook investors. But some people on X argue that Musk will bounce back. He's faced bigger storms. So, what's the next chapter? Elon's gearing up for a new lawsuit, aiming for a jury trial to confront Musk directly. Tesla could face hefty fines or reputational damage if more safety issues surface. Meanwhile, Musk's juggling other legal fights, like his $56 billion Tesla Pay dispute and an SEC case over X stake disclosure. On X, fans are split. Some back Elon for exposing risks, while others defend Musk, saying Tesla's innovating too fast for bureaucracy. One thing's clear, this battle's far from over. The story isn't just about Musk or Tesla, it's about accountability. Elon's courage shows one person can challenge a giant like Tesla to prioritize safety. For Tesla drivers, this can mean safer cars down the line. For workers, it's a reminder to speak up. And for investors, it's a heads up on Tesla's risks. As Musk pushes for Mars missions and AI with XAI, this setback proves even he's not untouchable. The buzz on X says it all. People are watching and they're vocal. What do you think? Is Elon a hero, or is Musk being unfairly targeted? In a rare stumble for Elon Musk's ambitious satellite internet venture, Starlink briefly went offline early Monday, leaving tens of thousands without service, including critical military operations in Ukraine. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. According to outage tracker downdetector.com, the blackout peaked with over 43,000 users in the US reporting issues. But the impact wasn't just domestic. In Ukraine, the entire frontline reportedly lost Starlink access around 7 a.m., a potentially dangerous disruption, giving the system's key role in drone operations and battlefield communications. Ukrainian drone commander Robert Brovdy took to Telegram to confirm the outage, noting that connectivity began to return within half an hour. The brief blackout, though, served as a stark reminder of how dependent critical systems have become on private tech systems like Starlink. Operated by Musk's SpaceX, Starlink functions by a network of low Earth orbit satellites, providing high-speed internet even in the world's most remote or war-torn areas. It's just been hailed as a game changer, not just for rural connectivity, but for real-time communication in global conflict zones. Shortly after the outage began, Starlink acknowledged the issue publicly, stating, "Starlink is currently experiencing a service outage. Our team is investigating." Although the number of complaints had fallen below 1,000, suggesting the issue had been largely resolved, while Starlink is back online, the incident raises pressing questions. What happens when one private network becomes this important and this vulnerable on a global scale? Share your thoughts in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.